Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix a 403 error in the browser, then please keep watching. Now, the first thing we can do if we get this error is we can refresh the page. So, how do we do that? We can either just click on the URL box and press enter, and that would refresh the page, or we can right click and press refresh and it will refresh the page. This should solve the problem. If it doesn't, then we will check the URL itself. Normally, if there is a forward slash after the URL address, then we remove that forward slash and we press enter. Now, this should normally resolve the problem. If this doesn't work, then what we have to do is we will clear the history and the cache. So this is common for all sorts of browsers, be it Edge or Chrome or Firefox. So I'll show you on Edge as I'm using it. We click on these three buttons on top and we'll go to history. There we will click history and we will select delete browsing data. Now we go and select all time in the time range and we tick all the boxes here: cookies, download history, browsing history, and we press clear now. And that should solve the problem. Now, if that doesn't work, a final solution would be that normally what happens, like sites like Instagram and other sites which require membership. So if we are not signed in and we are having a tag in the URL, then this error occurs. So what we can do is we can just delete the end tag and press enter. And again, it should start working. I hope this video solved your problem. Please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.